Hello guys, this is the current electric vehicle from Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing. This is Nigeria's first electric vehicle produced in Nigeria. You can see this is Innoson 01, proudly made in Nigeria. See, it has reverse view camera. That's the reverse view camera. Reverse parking sensors. This is the boot. You can see that it has a very fairly decent boot capacity, and it seats two people at the back. It has gas struts. You can see the high mounted brake lights. See the piano black color. See the beautiful, is this yellow or lemon color? Very bright, very attractive, very pretty vehicle. Then check this out, guys. As I press this, this is the door handle. Check out the window. See, it comes down automatically and it goes back up when you close the door. This feature is because the door is frameless. You can see that the door is frameless. See the glass? So that when you close the door, because it's frameless, so that the window doesn't crack on impact. Do you see that, guys? See the interior of the vehicle? See the beautiful plastic mold of the vehicle? And you can see that it's a dual tone color interior. See the window control button? Can see that everything works well, and it's a one-touch operation. Guys, see the beautiful interior, dual tone interior, beautiful leather. You can see, guys, see the floor. Meanwhile guys, this vehicle is a pre-production model, but it is already ready for your use, ready for your orders. You can place your orders. Beautiful vehicle. This is the interior, this is the front. See your passenger side airbag. This is you can see the glove box. Beautiful. That it slides out more like a tray, and it is very well dampened. Beautiful. And this is a hook for your bags, your shopping bags. That is your 12 volts charger outlet. If you want to plug in your charger or your cigarette lighter, you can see that is also for your charging. And a lot of lots of storage space. This is the key, guys. This is what the key looks like. See, a lot of storage space. Another storage space. And you can see the very, very wide view center display that is extremely responsive. See, it is very fast, very responsive. You can see the rear view camera. See the interior. And that is the steering wheel, multi-function steering wheel. You can see this is your driver's view display. And guys, this is the charger ports for charging the vehicle. See? You can see, guys, this is where you plug in your charger. You can see it has two different types of charger ports, and all these chargers come with the vehicle. And for charging, do not be scared, because you can plug it into your house outlets and charge the vehicle and it has a fast charging system. So guys, if you get home before you sleep and wake up, your car is fully charged, and it has a range of over 300 kilometers. So you see that with one charge you can actually almost have a full week's driving capacity, because the distances in Nigeria are not that wide. So guys, watch out for this car. Be rest assured that this car, there will be availability of spare parts, there will be availability of technical support, and make Nigeria proud.